feeling me? I'm at you. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I told you I'm back, man. So today I want to talk about the VVS Virgil Abloh Jordan 1 Alaska joints. And I'm going to sit it down. This is a heavy box, man. So them joints dropped like April. I know it was like the first week of April. It was around April Fool's. Maybe April 3rd if that was the day. Mad raffles for them. Like over 30 raffles. I thought these sneakers was going to be easy to get, but they wasn't, man. But I did cop eventually. But this is the first time in a long time, and this is why I'm doing this video. I actually copped something as an art piece. I never decided I was going to wear it. Y'all know I hate all white sneakers. But, you know, Virgil, after his passing, after me reading up on him, I really loved the person that he was. So I brought this sneaker as an art piece. I didn't open it. Today is what? July something. And we're going to open it up and check out everything about it. Hit the B-roll. So as I mentioned in the video earlier, it's heavy, man, and there's a reason it's heavy. First, you got this super dope mirror flap right here. Virgil does nothing regular, man. Off-White always goes crazy, right? But you see this little slip right here? Let me show you what's in it. It's an actual book. Again, I didn't open this. I read up on it. It reads, "Modern is not new." And some graffiti type joint. A whole memoir written, handwritten by him. Says something about hip hop in here. We ain't gonna go through the whole book, but super dope, man. A lot of drawings of Virgil. Like, this is crazy, man. And I think the price tag for this wasn't bad. I remember, I think it was $2 something. But there's a whole bunch of visuals in here, man. Super dope. I know it should be online. I'll put a few up there while we're scrolling through it. But it comes with a nice, dope comic book, if you would. Guys, this is really my first time opening this up. I don't even know. It look like it pulls. Yeah. So it pulls out, guys. Got your standard clear off-white paper. We've seen that before. I got one out. There we go. Here's the left shoe. So this plastic is completely clear, but I'll show you the other one when we get to it. And this is the Alaska Virgil joints, man. And I said I don't like an all-white sneaker, but if you look, it does have hits of like frost, like hits of blue all around it, just like the shoelaces here. You get that hit all around it, man, especially on the what's this material? I don't know, this translucent material. You definitely get these hits. It comes with purple laces, black laces. I think the purple ones will go hard, but this is the color that I see more than white. You got your 85 on the tab. Super dope, man. On both tabs, by the way. Dope, man. Air logo there. V.A.A. for Nike, Oregon, Beaverton, all that stuff over there. 1985 USA. Yeah, man. Again, I brought this as an art piece, guys. Never decided I was going to put these on my feet. Got that same Arctic Alaskan blue there on the zip tie. And that's the left shoe. Here's the right shoe here, guys. Got that tab on there. The same V.A.A. Nike there. Same air there. 85 is still in the back. And the bottom is like a nice gray, but it looks translucent, man. Virgil, I'm telling you, ahead of his time, this guy, man. Alright, this is the other clear paper I was telling you about. So, you got a big red Jordan logo. I'm trying to make out this other logo. I see V.A., Virgil Abloh. Looks like a dragon, House of Dragons spitting fire. 26. So 26, I'm guessing, is the year, of course. I don't know what's the connection with the dragon and Virgil Abloh, but I'm sure the book it comes with will tell us that for sure. So again, I brought these as an art piece because these are still my favorite, man. The UNCs, like, I would never buy another UNC Jordan 1 in my life because of what Virgil did to this one, man. This is like my favorite joint. This is probably my favorite off-white Nike collab, man. Now that I'm thinking about it. But these Virgil joints do go hard, and I might have changed my mind being that I finally opened them after May, June, two and a half, 3 months. They open now, so you gotta kind of rock them. It's just I hate the all-white situation, man. But the Arctic blue hits really do it for me, man. So again, let me know how you feel about this sneaker. I think right now prices is probably in the high fours, close to $5. Again, I feel like it's worth it, man. R.I.P. Virgil, man. I try to say that every chance I get. I think that's doubling the retail price. I mean, it's to each his own, man. Again, I brought them because I felt like it was an art piece. It was something Virgil was holding on to. But looking at them now, they have to be rocked, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.